Assalamualaikum beta. Next application of electrolysis is electro refining of metals, that is purification of metals or the removal of impurities from the metals through the process of electrolysis. Okay, electro refining means the process by which metals containing impurities are purified electrolytically, that is through the process of electrolysis to give a pure metal. The term refining means to make pure and electro means the method employed to make the metal pure, that is by electrolysis. Now here we are doing electro refining of copper. Okay, copper metal is being electro refined, or we remove the impurities of copper metal for the various applications of it. Okay, for example, copper metal is also used in making wires. Okay, electricity wires. Electrolyte used here is aqueous copper sulfate solution. Why? And that is acidified by adding traces of dilute H2SO4 or HCl. Okay, now why copper? The electrolyte contain copper ions. Why? Because we are electro refining copper metal, so the electrolyte must contain copper ions in it to maintain the conductivity of the solution or the electrolyte. Okay, now nature of the electrode is cathode. Pure thin sheet of copper is being used as cathode. Why we have taken thin sheet here? Because deposition takes place at cathode only. Okay, deposition takes place at cathode only, so we are using the pure thin sheet of copper, and then all the deposition will be taking place at cathode only. All the pure metal will get stick to that sheet only. Now anode is the impure block of copper containing impurities. Okay, now electrode reaction that we are going to, anode is the impure block of copper, that is the block of copper that we are going to electro refine. Electrode reaction will be the dissociation of aqueous copper sulfate. Copper sulfate will be dissociated as copper 2+, that is a cation, and sulfate anion, and H2O will ionize as H+ and OH-. Since it is an aqueous solution, so water must be present there. Now reaction at cathode. Copper ions being positive ions or cations will move toward the oppositely charged electrode, that is cathode. Okay, now cathode on getting 2 electrons from the cations on getting 2 electrons from the cathode get deposited as copper atom on the cathode. Now copper ions are discharged at the cathode as neutral copper atom, thus pure copper deposited on the thin sheet of pure copper placed at the cathode. Okay, now reaction at the anode. Copper is the active electrode. Here the negative ions are sulfate and hydroxyl, both will migrate toward the anode, but neither of them are getting discharged. Why? Because copper is the active electrode and it itself take part in the reaction, so copper start losing its atoms. Okay, and ionize it by removing 2 electrons. So copper atom by removing 2 electrons from it get converted into copper 2+ ion or cation, thus maintaining the conductivity of the electrolyte. Okay, it is furnishing copper ions. Now sulfate and hydroxyl migrate to the anode, but neither of them are discharged. Instead, the copper anode loses electrons to give copper ions in solution, hence anode diminishes in mass. Anode will be diminished in mass. Now the impure block of copper or anode get used up and the impurities settle down. Impurities will be settling down as the anode mud. Okay, the pure copper metal dissolve out from the copper anode, impure copper block, and the copper ions formed in the solution at the anode are deposited at the cathode. The copper ions migrate towards the cathode. These copper ions that are being made here or that are being furnished here will go to the cathode because they are positive ions. So cations or positive ions will migrate toward the cathode and get discharged and then deposit on the cathode only. Okay, now next is the impurities present in the impure copper anode settle down as anode mud or slime, which contain insoluble impurities like gold and silver. Here this is the anode mud. Okay, this is the anode. Now next is anode contains impurities such as iron, zinc, etc. Okay, amalgamated with copper, but we have to refine copper, so we have to remove these impurities. So iron, zinc also dissociate as iron and zinc cations, but being higher in the electrochemical series, neither of them get discharged. Because why? Copper being lower in the electrochemical series will get discharged, and iron, zinc will remain in the solutions as ions. Okay, in the electrolytic copper sulfate solution as ions. And metals which are generally refined by electrolysis are zinc, lead, copper, mercury, and silver, etc. And the metals which are extracted by electrolysis, that is highly electropositive metals, are already deposited at the cathode in the pure state, hence need not be refined. Okay, the metals which are extracted through electrolysis need not be re-refined. Okay, now why do we add a slight traces of acid here to the electrolyte? For enhancing the conductivity of electrolyte, we add traces of acid such as dilute H2SO4. Okay, to enhance the conductivity of electrolyte.